हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल फार्मेसी आर्काइव टुगेदरनेस। मैं यहाँ पे आपके लिए फार्मेसी से रिलेटेड वीडियोस बनाती हूँ। अगर आप एक फार्मा स्टूडेंट हैं या आप फार्मेसी से रिलेटेड हैं तो प्लीज़ आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, मेरी वीडियोस को लाइक करिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ताकि वो भी इस वीडियो को देख करके इससे बेनिफिट उठा सके। प्लीज़ आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। मैं आप लोगों के लिए बहुत मेहनत से वीडियो बना के आप लोगों के लिए ले There are various scopes of pharmacy in the pharmaceutical industries and various pharmacy related institutions. We'll discuss here the scope of pharmacy. Let's talk about it. Why the pharmacy as a career? The pharmaceutical industry in India is the world's third largest term of volume, only industry to record the profits and create jobs even in a global slowdown in the 2003 to 2009. And also second one, to Indian defense sector in terms of R&D spendings. Why pharmacy? The term of net exports. India topped the world in exporting generic drugs worth US 15 billion in 2014. The various opportunities horizons are available in a job for the B Farm and M Farm student, like the government organizations, the pharma industries, hospital pharmacists, research industries, food and cosmetic industries, clinical pharmacy, clinical research organization, community pharmacy, pharma marketing, and academic jobs like teaching and etc. These types of jobs are available for B Farm and M Farm student. In a business of B Farm student, if want to start their own business, they can also start their own industry, also own distribution units and various agencies or the pharmacy shops are the various opportunities in the terms of scope of pharmacy. Now talk about the individual pharmacy sectors. First we are talking about the industrial pharmacy, the pharmacy related to industries. There are various divisions like R&D, production units, and marketing. Let's talk about individually. R&D we can followed by the formulation, quality assurance, quality control, bioanalysis, biotechnology, pharmacology, and drug discoveries. And other we can go to the technology transfer and regulatory divisions. These are the sections which belong to the R&D. Other we can talk about the production units. Here we talk the tablets manufacture, tablet production units, capsule productions, injections production, various types of cosmetic which we use day to day life, and the various nutraceuticals are present in the production unit. We can talk about the marketing unit. We can go through the sales promotion, sales executive as a product development units, and as a manager of different pharmaceuticals industries. Let's talk about the clinical research. If you're interested in a research centers like to drug research and want to discover something new in our drug industries for the human mankind and welfare of society, then you can go through the research of pharmacy section also. The great potential for the testing new drugs. The Indian pharma graduates have a key role in a developing of a new drug in both the preclinical and clinical trials for the treating the clinical diseases, for ensuring the safety and efficacy for the patients before release into the market. Here we are covering these types of topic. The key role of the community pharmacist. What the community pharmacist perform? Here they evaluate the patient's drug related needs, what patient really needed to cure their diseases, determine whether the patient has any actual or the potential drug related problems, work with the patient and other healthcare professionals to design or implement and monitor the therapeutic plan that will resolve prevent the problems of the patients are the key role community to the pharmacist. Let's talk about the organization and health management, where many of us are also interested in social health organizations or the organization management units. So we can also go through this also by just completing our graduation and post graduation and the various, and they can also go through the hospital pharmacy are the sector where the pharmacist present will having some drug medicines to distribute the patient's reliability to the patients. The pharmacist also go to some government services like pharmacist in a army, navy, air forces and government hospitals. Inspectors are also the very good opportunity present to the pharmacist. Drug inspector, the government of India and state level examinations are held to appoint as a drug inspector. You can also become a scientist in a food and drug, the IP sectors and ICMRs and various types of laboratories. Government universities as professor as HODs. You can also work as a teaching section as a professor. You have also opportunity to select the UPSC and state public services commissions, the government analysis and the forensic sciences, research on a tropical diseases like public health related diseases. The government certified the pharmacologist and the toxicologist. Government approaches the chemist also, and the last one the consultants, the mental health and addiction, family planning, position, self medication and immunizations are the various types of different pharmacists in a government services are also be here available to the scope in the pharmacy. If you want to higher education after B Farm, so what you can go through this, you can also go through the higher education like M Farm, and also you can go through the PhD also. But after B Farm you can also have some different types of option also available, like M Farm you can go any M-Form government colleges by clarifying your GPAT examinations. If you can also go to, there are various types of uh, sections, that is pharmaceutics, medicinal chemistry, regulatory affairs, pharmacology, pharmacognosy, quality analysis and insurance, and the pharma biotech. You can also go through the MBA also, Master of Business Administration, that CAT. You have to clarify the CAT examination by through which you can get admission in a government colleges like pharma management, finance and marketing. In MS, if you can also go to the MS by GPAT examination like NIPER. Advantages: India bright future for the pharmacy graduate, slowing Chinese economy and exports, and opportunity for Indian pharma. The government policy for Make in India, skilled youth programs, competitive workforce with English and a basics education, cost effective clinical trials in chemical synthesis, pipelines for the new chemical entries, the strong legal and the financial framework, that's IPR, and the vibrant information and technology of data analysis. These are the advantages to the bright future. Always dream big. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.